Welcome back to Mad Mike Studio. Let's have some fun. Excuse the mess here, but I want to show you something. Okay, I made these two hinge lights. I was going to mount them to this oak boards, but I was away on the weekend, picked up this amazing live edged really thick. Okay, let's mount these lights to this beautiful piece of live edged oak. Let's remove these vintage plug-ins. The company that I get these plug-ins from is called Snakehead Vintage. Okay, let's notch the back to hide the wires. Let's make a mark here. Okay, let's reinstall these wires through the wood. Okay, all wired up, ready to go. Okay, it's all done. Let's take a look at it. And the bottom one.